Hi everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. I am coming up with a new video to show to you all my morning to afternoon day in my life. This is not a proper day in my life. Now I am going to market to buy some items. The market that I'm going is Big Market Ipoh. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to Rosh Favorites. And this is the inside view of this market. There are a lot of shops at here. Wet markets and dry markets, a lot of stalls are there, so it's too difficult to choose which shop you want to purchase. For me, roughly I took 1 hour inside this market. If you want to go to this market, go as early as possible because it's quite difficult to get parking at here. I don't know about the other places because this market is too big, so I don't have enough time to explore inside this market because I'm going to some other places to do some other work. You can buy any type of items from this market. There's a tomato and more. Please check the price before you buy it. After visit market, now we are going back to a shop to purchase some items, and after that we are going to have a lunch. We come to this area because I come to a shop nearby this area. That's why we coming to take our lunch at this area. I won't regularly use this area that much. And yes, the restaurant is near. And there is the restaurant. We reached this restaurant before the lunch hour. So not sure whether they got the chicken rice or not. For me, personally, I like the chicken rice taste from this restaurant. I got it at here for more than 2 times. For me, I like the taste from here. But I'm not sure for others how is it. If you got taste nasi ayam from this shop, you can share with us. Nasi ayam is in Malay word, chicken rice in English. They also gave with a sauce, and that's it. I'm going to enjoy this chicken rice. Thank you for watching. I will meet you all in another video. Do subscribe to Rosh Favorites. Take care and bye.